Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial on that hairstyle I had in my mascara sweat test video. So if you're interested in seeing how I created that look, keep watching. Thanks. All right, so for this hair tutorial, what you're gonna need is several little rubber bands. I get these from the grocery store. I think it's the H-E-B brand, actually, if you live in Texas, so you know about H-E-B. And so there's just little plastic rubber bands, so they're very easy to use, very small. You can also have a comb and a brush if you need to or want to brush your hair. So I'm gonna brush through my hair. It is a little dirty. This is day 2. I usually wash my hair every other day, so this is definitely day 2. And sadly, my roots have not been done because Corona. But anyway, so hopefully I'll be able to get that done soon. So the first thing you're gonna do is basically take here at the temples, grab this top little section of hair, and I usually grab to about, not quite at the end of my forehead, but maybe 3/4 of the way. So grab that. I like to use the comb just to kind of smooth it out, or you can use your fingers. I do a little bit of both actually. And then you are gonna put a rubber band in that, right here. So pull that through, go 3 times. And then from here, you can actually make a little bump in the front if you want a little more volume. Sometimes I'll even tease it. Sorry, looking in the big mirror too. Sometimes I'll actually tease it just to get a little more volume if that's what I want. I do this hairstyle a lot for, like I did for my mascara sweat test video, I do it for fitness. So okay, so let me back up. So I do it for fitness, but I also do it so that when I'm at work and I have to run off and maybe teach a class and come back, my hair still looks pretty decent for that. So yeah, so it's a great way to keep your hair looking decent. Maybe if you're, after your workout, you have to go somewhere, maybe you're going back to work, maybe you're going home or running errands or whatever. This is a good way for it to stay put and you don't have to worry about it. All right, so we have our first little ponytail. So then we're gonna make a second ponytail. So I'll usually do like 2 or 3. So I'll maybe come here closer to my temples, on the sides of my eye, grab the hair. So you wanna keep this ponytail out. So keep this one out, grab the hair here. And again, you can use the comb to help you smooth. Or your fingers. This is very much, I do hair by feel. so I'm not very exact when it comes to those kinds of things. I don't think you have to be. Hair and makeup are fun. It's meant to be fun. All right, so now we have our 2 ponytails. So what we're gonna do is we are going to split this one at the top, bring this one through. So now we flipped the bottom one up and brought the top one around it. And now we're gonna create another ponytail here. So I have my 2 strands of hair, and now I'm grabbing some more hair on each side, and we're gonna create a ponytail from there. So again, using the comb if you want. It gets easier. The trickiest part is this first step, and then it gets easier. So I'm going to ponytail there. And so from here, you can actually start to create more volume if you want. So pull these out just a little bit to make them look bigger than they are. So then you bring this down. Oops, I've got something not quite right here, so I'm going to pull this out. All right, so now we have our 2 ponytails. So now we're going to split this one, the top one, and bring it around, flip this one up, and create another ponytail. So you could even grab, since I don't have a ton of hair left, it all depends on what you want to do. You can make it very, you can make it thicker, you can make it thinner. So if you want more loops, you could band it here and then create another one and get the rest of the hair. That's what I'm going to do today. Again, now we have our ponytails. Split this one at the top, bring it through, flip this one up, and grab the rest of the hair. And then you can just keep going. So you can keep going as long as you want to go. So you're going to keep making these braids. And again, you can widen these. It's better to do it before you get too many, or else it's going to get too tight. So split, pull through, band. Split, pull through, band, split, pull through, band. My hair isn't super thick, it's pretty fine. So this is a great way to cheat that a little bit. My hair looks a little bit thicker than it actually is when I do a hairstyle like this, which works for me. So again, we have these 2 layers here. So this top layer, I can split it, band it underneath the other one. And you basically just keep doing that until you want to stop. And there you go. And that's the finished braid. So like I said, you can pull these out a little bit to give a little more volume to your hair. That's one of the reasons I love this. It's also very nice and sleek. It's tight, but not too tight to where I can't wear it all day. Sometimes, even when I have my hair in a ponytail, like I can't even wear it all day because it's just pulling on my head too much. This, I'd never have felt that way. I've worn this hairstyle several times. And if you're a fitness instructor, this is great for high intensity classes. So if you teach Les Mills and you teach like Braid or BodyCombat or BodyPump, you know, this is a very strong hairstyle. It's in the essence of those programs. But even if you teach, you know, any kind of high intensity class, and or you just want your face out of your hair out of your face, this is a great hairstyle to do that. It looks like you spent a ton of time, but it only took us, you know, maybe 5-10 minutes. And the more you do it, the more you practice it, like anything else, you'll get a lot better at it too. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Happy to answer questions. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.